When your new machine shows up, you want to get moving, fast. That's where our virtual commissioning comes in. Live on a video call, one of our experts walks you through exactly how to start up your machine, run it safely, and begin producing material. Real-time answers, real-time support, no flipping through a 100-page manual. We'll send you a custom quick start guide before the session, then guide you through step-by-step, startup, shutdown, safety checks, remote pairing, even things like belt adjustments. It's not just setup, it's training, support, and peace of mind, all in one call. You'll walk away with everything you need to run the machine right, and support that sticks with you. Some machines also come with in-person commissioning, but no matter what, starting with a virtual session is always a smart move. You'll get set up faster, safer, and more confidently right from day one. Zach, one of our tech leads, said, "By the time we get there, they've already been running the machine. They have great questions, and we can use that time to fine-tune their process." Need help with your machine or want to learn more about virtual commissioning? Call our service and support team at 866-847-1440. We're here to keep you running.